Hello, beauties. Welcome to Jerica's Infusion, where I infuse food and talk. And today, I am taking you to Nigerian streets with this special street food, and that is the Nigerian suya. Yes. I will show you how to satisfy your suya craving in no time with little ingredients in your kitchen. And guess what? I am defying the rules of suya. I come from the middle belt part of Nigeria, just to be precise, and I tell you, we got variations of suya. So I am going to show you how to make this budget-friendly suya, and it's so good and it's so delicious. It's so easy to make. It's so quick. Come along with me to my kitchen. Let me show you how to make this delicious Nigerian street food suya spicy. Alright friends, let's get started making our delicious Nigerian suya. And here I got this beef. I'm using regular beef. I got some liver and of course some shaki. Yes, you can use shaki for your suya. It's very good. I am from the middle belt part of Nigeria, from just to be precise, and there are different variations of making suya other than the commercial one, and this is one of the secret recipes I'm sharing with you. Okay, so now I went in with some thyme, and then I added some curry. I'm going to go in with some dried chili, and this dried chili is just a regular chili pepper, dry. It's not seasoned or anything. And then I am going to go in with another flavor of curry. This is completely optional, but I have two different curries I love to combine. Okay, so now I'm going to season with salt to taste. And for this recipe, I used a teaspoon of salt and 2 Knorr cubes. That's like 1 Knorr cube. You know how it comes, you know how it goes, right? All right, I am going to give that a thorough mix, and I'm going to add about 5 tablespoons of water, because when this meat starts steaming, we're going to cook it on low heat. It will release its own juices. So we are going to cook this for about 15 minutes, and because I cut it into tiny chunks, it is going to cook really fast. So we are just starting the cooking process. I added onions, of course. This is not your regular suya recipe and it is made at home, made with love, and even better than what you're buying outside. Don't worry, I see a lot of recipes buy the certain kind of beef. Guys, I am from the middle belt part of Nigeria, just to be precise, and we have variations of suya. We're not strict on the rules, and it all comes out very, very delicious, other than the commercial one, and it's in fact sometimes tastes actually better. Yeah, but when it's made at home, it's made with love, and anything made with love tastes better, and you're sure of your hygiene too. I am prepping my onions as I wait for my meat to cook, so let's chat. In this pandemic, I don't know if you're comfortable buying suya. That is what made me to really get serious about making my suya at home whenever I crave it. I'm not comfortable with, I know it gets roasted on fire, but just the whole idea of using your hands, I don't see them sanitizing, and they still use that same hand to cut your suya for you. Please friends, make your suya at home. Use my recipe and you will thank me for it. If you try this suya and it's not nice, come back and dislike this video. Drop a comment in the comment section and just tell me it was horrible. But I know you will come back with raving reviews, because this is a fail-proof method and it's well cooked. This answers all your questions for suya that is made and not well cooked. Okay, now in the bowl I added some basil leaves, suya spice. You can get the suya spice at ShopRite and in some supermarkets. And then I am going to go in with some extra seasoning cubes. I am not using salt because the salt in the meat, it will carry this recipe, this suya through. Okay, Nigerian suya is a street food. We love it. Yes, I'm sharing with you one of my secret ingredients. Use this and thank me later. Brown sugar. Yes, brown sugar and grilling, it completely elevates the taste and the flavor of any meat. especially when you're grilling your meat. So I am adding a quarter teaspoon, half a teaspoon, yes, a teaspoon of brown sugar to this recipe. And I am going to go in with some vegetable oil. And this vegetable oil is, I love to use vegetable oil that I have used to fry some chicken in it. And I am going to mix that thoroughly until it's well combined. Friends, if you're new to my channel, a very well welcome to you. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider being a part of this wonderful family by clicking on that subscribe button so you can get, and then click on the notification bell so you can get notified every day here at Jericas Infusion. New recipes, fantastic recipes, fail-proof recipes dropping in every single day. You will never run out of ideas in that your kitchen. To my old returning subscribers, viewers, thank you so much for your constant support. You make Jericas Infusion happen. Now I take our meat out from fire, and because I am grilling this right away, I am just going to mix all of this in that marinade. And while I was doing this, I had gone ahead to preheat my oven on 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, now I'm using the grill part of the oven. I don't know how your oven is. You can use open grill. You have open grill, it's just fantastic. It's perfect. Just layer some foil on the grill and then drop your pieces of suya. But what I am going to do is, I am grilling this in an oven, so I am going to cover my baking sheet with parchment paper, and I am going to drop that in the oven to grill for about 15 minutes on one side. We'll take that out, flip it over, and put back in the oven to grill for an extra 15 minutes. Okay, everywhere will start smelling like suya. Now, friends, don't throw away this remaining marinade. This is a lot of flavor. You can put this in a mason jar and set aside for the next batch of your suya, so you don't have to go through this again. Or you can use it for any meat chicken recipe. Okay, so this is after 15 minutes. Look at how beautifully and nicely golden brown our suya is looking. Yum, yum, yum. I am going to put this back in the oven. And then look at this beauty. Look at all the juices being released from the beef. Look at how it has browned beautifully. This suya has been grilled to perfection. Now it's time to serve our suya and just enjoy. Guys, I love making these recipes. It looks so So now we're gonna serve this suya. Look at that, how beautiful. And I will garnish with some onions. And we will enjoy. Alright, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always stopping by. We'll see you in my next video. I have this other suya yaji that I got from the Malam, and we're going to just garnish our suya with and drop some outfit. I'm not even comfortable using newspapers again since this pandemic started. I'm being that careful. Are you OCD like me when it comes to this virus? Let me know in the comment section. Look at how beautiful. Woo, amazing.